Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this eyeshadow look. Trust me, it is so easy. So starting off, we're using HelenE Cosmetics Double Base Eye Primer, and we're packing this on with a flat brush all over the lid. Some of these products have been sent to me as PR, and I will explain which ones are down below in the description. So we're packing this on all the way up to the brow, and then we're going in with a Sleek Makeup Colour Carnage eyeshadow palette. So to start off with, we're going to be using this light brown shade, and we're just going to buff this into the crease. Just take your time with it to make sure it's a nice and even flawless blend, and then feel free to go back in with the same shade just to add a little bit more depth to the outer corner. Next, we're taking this warm orange brown colour, and we're just going to pack this onto the outer corner just to add a bit of warmth to the eye. You can take whatever is left on the brush into the crease just to add a bit of warmth there as well. So we're taking this highlighting palette in the shade Fire It Up, and we're taking these two shades and a flat brush, and we're just going to sweep these across the lid. Next, we're applying lashes, and once they're on, this look is finished. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you all again very soon.